In this BDRSuite video, I'll show you how to configure email notifications for backup status alerts. BDRSuite's email notification feature helps you stay informed about your backup and disaster recovery operations by sending alerts and detailed reports. With customizable notification settings and support for multiple recipients, BDRSuite ensures timely communication and proactive management of your backup process. Open the BDRSuite Backup Server console. For a detailed video on installing and setting up Backup Server, check out the link in the description. Enter the username, password, and click Sign In. The first step in setting up email notifications is to configure an SMTP server. So, in the BDRSuite Backup Server, navigate to the Management tab, select Settings, and click on SMTP. This is the SMTP Server Settings page. SMTP Server configuration is essential for email notifications as it enables the application to send emails to specified recipients reliably and securely. It ensures authentication and customization of email settings, facilitating effective communication. Now enter the SMTP server associated mail ID and the SMTP port. Toggle the button to enable the authentication. Next, enter the username for the SMTP server, the password, and select the authentication type and protocol type. Then, provide the sender's name and email address. Once all the details are filled in, click Update to save the settings. Alright, the SMTP server is now configured. Now, to enable the email notification settings, navigate to the Reports tab and select Email Notifications. On this page, let's first explore the criteria-based email notification settings. As indicated by the arrow, you'll find the Edit SMTP Settings button, since the SMTP server has already been configured. Now, toggle the button to enable the email notification settings. Next, select the criteria for the reports as shown on the screen, which will determine the email notifications you receive. To exclude certain entities from the notifications, you can click on the Click Here to Configure Exclusion option. This is the Exclusion Settings page. Here, you can select specific client agents or backup jobs to exclude from email notifications. After making your selections, click on Exclude from Email Reports to apply the changes. The next step is to select the email recipients for notifications. You have two options. The first one is to use the same email ID for all type of reports. This option allows you to categorize the reports into either success reports or failure reports. The second option allows you to assign different email IDs for each type of report. You can specify separate email addresses for backup reports, restore reports, delete reports, off-site replication reports, and integrity check reports. You can designate email IDs for both success and failure notifications for each of these different types of reports. You can also select to receive reports specifically for the endpoints. Another type of email notification in the BDRSuite Backup Server is the scheduled email notification. On this page, you can configure email notifications to receive reports on a scheduled periodic basis. Since the SMTP settings are already configured, you also have the option to edit them if needed. To schedule the reports, first select the reports you want to receive. Click on the drop-down menu and choose the desired report. I have chosen the Recent Backup Job Schedule report. After making your selection, click on the Configure Email Schedule button to proceed. Enter a name for the report, provide a description, and specify the email recipients. For filter setting, click on the Add Filter button. Filter the reports based on their status, type, and the client managing them, and click on Apply. Select the scheduling frequency and the time period. Once all the details are entered, click on Save. The email schedule has been set up. You can also configure scheduled email notifications directly from the specific report options. To do this, navigate to the Reports main tab and select the desired report. For example, I will choose the dashboard and select the machine, host or VM, level overview report. On this page, click on the email icon. You can set up the email schedule by clicking on the Configure Email Schedule button. Enter the required details and click on Save. You will see the schedule is set up. Now I'll show you a sample email notification report that I configured and received to a recipient's email ID. That's it. Now it is your turn to try it out. Visit our website to start your free trial, and if you need any assistance, contact BDR Support. Thanks for watching.